Step 2, we're going to take the card that we just put the big yellow tag sticker on the back of, and we're going to laminate it. So we take the laminating pouch, we put the clear part down on the table, and we place our card in the laminate pouch, just getting it as straight as possible. And then we peel back the adhesive strip, and we leave it on, and we kind of roll it out. So to make sure we don't get any bubbles, kind of roll it out slowly, like this, from the back to the front. And then we just seal the edges, and that's it. We got an interactive smart card.